Hook. What if you could have a dash cam that not only captures every detail of your drive, but also helps you avoid red light cameras and speed traps? Sounds pretty handy, right? Let's dive into the Thinkware U3000 4K dash cam, a high-tech device that promises to make your driving experience safer and smarter. Quick intro. Hey, welcome back to Autovated. Today we're talking about the Thinkware U3000 dash cam. This sleek 4K front camera packs a punch with Sony's STARVIS 2 sensor, radar parking mode, dual-band Wi-Fi, and ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System. Let's break down what this camera can do and whether it's worth your investment. Product overview. The Thinkware U3000 is equipped with a 4K front camera powered by Sony's STARVIS 2 sensor, promising crisp, high-definition video even in low-light conditions. The radar parking mode is a standout feature, offering protection when your vehicle is parked by detecting movement and alerting you to potential threats. Plus, it comes with a built-in GPS antenna, so you'll receive alerts for upcoming red light and speed cameras. The dash cam pairs seamlessly with the Thinkware Link app, making it easy to access your footage, adjust settings, and get live vehicle monitoring right from your phone. It's a feature-packed device designed for safety-conscious drivers. Key features. 1. Sony STARVIS 2 sensor ensures clear and detailed footage, even at night. This is great for capturing license plates and other important details when the lighting isn't ideal. 2. Radar parking mode. The U3000 offers parking surveillance that uses radar to detect objects near your vehicle. If something is detected while you're parked, the camera will automatically record the event. It's a great feature for preventing hit-and-run incidents. 3. Dual-band Wi-Fi. With both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi support, you get faster video transfer speeds for quick playback and seamless control through the Thinkware Link app. 4. Speed and red light camera alerts. The built-in GPS allows the camera to warn you about speed and red light cameras ahead. This is a nifty feature for avoiding costly fines. Real-world testing and usage experience. When testing the Thinkware U3000, I found the setup process to be smooth and straightforward, thanks to the Bluetooth connection and Thinkware Link app. I connected the camera to my iPhone in seconds, and from there, accessing live footage, managing settings, and even receiving impact notifications became incredibly easy. The 4K footage was sharp, even in low light conditions, and I was impressed by how it captured detail in both bright and dim environments. The radar parking mode was particularly useful, alerting me to movement near the car when parked in public spaces. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent video quality. The 4K resolution and Sony STARVIS 2 sensor provide exceptional clarity, even at night. Radar parking mode. This adds a layer of protection when your vehicle is parked, something many other dash cams lack. Dual-band Wi-Fi. Fast and reliable Wi-Fi connection for easy access and video transfer. Speed and camera alerts. Handy for drivers who want to avoid red light and speed camera fines. Cons. Price. At a premium price point, it may not be the best option for budget-conscious buyers. Setup time for some users. While the app is easy to use, some users may experience a learning curve when initially pairing the device, especially when accessing all the advanced features. Value for money. The Thinkware U3000 offers high-end features like 4K recording, radar parking mode, and camera alerts, but it comes with a premium price tag. If you're after top-tier performance and advanced features, this is a strong contender, but it might not be the best choice if you're looking for a more basic, budget-friendly option. Comparison. When compared to other premium dash cams, such as the Blackview D900X or the Nextbase 622GW, the Thinkware U3000 stands out with its radar parking mode, a feature that Blackview and Nextbase lack. While these competitors also offer 4K video quality, they do fall short when it comes to the extra layer of security that radar parking mode provides. On the flip side, some users may find the Thinkware U3000's price steeper than alternatives, especially if they don't need all the advanced features. Midway call to action. Is this review helping you stay ahead of the curve with your dashcam decisions? Don't stall. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fresh reviews and tech breakdowns, all designed to keep you safely in the driver's seat. Build quality and longevity. The build quality of the Thinkware U3000 feels solid and reliable. It's clear that this dash cam is designed to withstand long-term use, and Thinkware's reputation for quality adds confidence here. Long-term reliability looks promising though, like any tech. The longevity can be impacted by how frequently it's used and the climate it's exposed to. So far, feedback from verified buyers suggests that the U3000 holds up well over time. Customer support. Thinkware's customer support is generally well regarded, and the availability of the Thinkware Link app for troubleshooting and settings management adds convenience. If issues do arise, Thinkware has a responsive support team that can assist with setup or technical concerns. Who it's for. The Thinkware U3000 is ideal for tech-savvy drivers who want top-tier video quality and extra security features like radar parking mode. It's perfect for commuters, car enthusiasts, or anyone who values safety and peace of mind when behind the wheel. It may not be the best option for someone on a tight budget or those who only need basic dash cam features. Conclusion: strong option. If you value high-quality 4K footage, advanced security features, and seamless connectivity, the Thinkware U3000 is one of the strongest dash cams in its class. Final CTA. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out the Thinkware U3000, links to the product are in the comments and description below. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. If you've used this dash cam, let's hear about your experience. Until next time, keep your rides autovated.